Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I don't know if you remember a video that I showed you about erosion, and I wanted to show you just how important the downspout drain is and what causes problems if you don't have a downspout drain. Take a look at this. Remember there was an erosion problem right here, and they put a concrete block and rock down in here, and you can see it didn't work. It washed out. But look what happened. Can you see that pothole? Can you see the downspout? That water comes off of this roof. This is Bank of America, and it comes off of this roof with such force that, I mean, it just erodes everything. And if you think about, for example, the Grand Canyon and the Colorado River, I mean, look at that river, what it did with erosion. And I mean, it's a mile deep down through that rock. Look at this pothole. We just did a video about potholes, which is interesting. But look what's happened. That water has come down, it comes over here, and it's still sinking back up under this area. And of course, the pothole, this asphalt's pretty old, but look at that. I mean, this is how powerful downspout drains are and why they really need to go underground and out to the street. Most people don't think about downspout drains because it doesn't rain that often. But you know, here in Florida, I think so far this year, we're well over 60 inches of rain. And so wherever there's a downspout, that water has been directed straight down. And with all the rain this year, the problems that have occurred underneath of people's homes, just like this, where the water has eroded and gotten underneath of that slab, is tremendous. So you can see, this is Bank of America, and of course the teller system is long gone now. You use the ATMs. This is how you drive around to the ATMs. And you'll notice right here a sign, and they marked it. It says danger washout. And what they've done is they've created a dry riverbed, and it's just getting worse and worse and worse. And the reason being is, you can see the erosion underneath of the drive. What happens is, this is actually promoting drainage. It's not solving any problems, it's promoting drainage. You know, gravel, perforated pipe, all these things, it collects water. It lets water run through it quite quickly. So, as it rains more and more, water runs through this system that they put in here, and it's discharging. Yes, it goes down into a retention area, but it's creating more of a washout. The power of the downspout coming off of that roof, so much water, look what happens. Erosion. It is a major problem, and this is why we all talk about putting those downspout drains underground and getting them out to the street. So much water comes off of your roof, and look what takes place. This is how water gets under the slab, down in the basement, into the crawl space. This is one of the reasons why we all talk about putting downspout drains out and away from the home. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. The price of gas went up 15 cents, maybe 17 cents overnight. You know, if you're a prepper and you've been following some of those prep videos, and you kind of hear about the stock market going to fall at the end, you know, here on the Black Friday at the end of October, this could be an indication of that. Look at that price. Now, I know places around the country are much higher than that, and maybe some are much lower. But here in Central Florida, it was like $2.97, $2.98 last night. And look at it this morning,